unicorns, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khadijah. If you're new, then welcome. If this is your first time seeing my face and you'd like to see it again, be sure to subscribe and click that cute little bell button down there so you can be notified every time I upload. So I'm currently on a boat in the middle of the ocean. Through those windows is where you could see it, but I decided to do a room tour so that you guys can see what my cabin looked like. I'm here with my mom, so if you're interested in seeing what it looks like, then stay tuned. Oh, and this is the Royal Caribbean Enchantment of the Seas. If you're wondering what ship this is in particular. Hey guys, so we are in room 310, and every passenger gets a key card with their name on it, and this is what we use to unlock the doors. So as soon as you come in, we have our closet, which both sides hold open. We have our suitcases in here, and it's a pretty decent size for, you know, a 2-people room. Then we're able to hang the stuff up there. And then in the back, there's also drawers that we can use, which we did. Then right after the closet is this vanity-like area. And it has the lights on and off, which I really like because I do my makeup. And these also open on both sides, which I just put lotions and body sprays. And then this also has drawers that we are able to put stuff in, which we did. The next beside that is the television, and there's different channels that they offer for you to watch movies, as well as like letting you know what's going on the ship that day. Then there's the bed, obviously. We have 2 portholes where we're able to see the ocean through, which is really cool. The attendant came and made the bed as always. That's another perk of being on a cruise ship. On each side we have our own little nightstands, and then over here there's a couch that you can lounge on and relax, and they give you a table as well. And this is the restroom. So this is the restroom. It's fairly small, you can tell while I'm in here, but I mean, you don't need to do a lot in the restroom when you're on a cruise ship. Here's the shower. You can see not that big either, but it gets the job done. Also little compartments over here where we're able to put things that we need, and they bring us fresh towels every day, which is also amazing. That was my room tour for the Royal Caribbean Ocean View room. If you guys have any questions, then feel free to let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.